Hello everyone, this is Audio from Advanced Mechanics and welcome to another episode of Know Your Car. So in this week's episode, I'm going to be talking about a certain electric component on your car that is responsible for turning or cranking your engine so that it runs on its own. This electric component is only responsible for starting up your engine. Once your engine starts, it completely goes off. So without any waste of time, let's get into the video. So the component I'm going to be talking about today is called the starter motor. The starter motor is a powerful electric motor that uses electric energy from the battery to mechanically rotate the engine's crankshaft, thereby initiating the combustion process and starting up your engine. It only for a short time engages with the flywheel to create necessary rotation needed for the engine to start up. The starter motor is made up of four main parts: the bendix, which meshes with the engine's flywheel to crank it or rotate it, a solenoid, which is an electromagnetic switch that activates the starter, the field coils attached to the housing, and the rotating rotor or the armature. This electric component is the first thing you are going to hear before your engine runs, and together with the engine, it makes a sound like this. The starter motor is located at the bottom rear of your engine, between the engine block and the gearbox bell housing. But for some car manufacturers like the Audi, Bentley and Porsche, you wouldn't be surprised to see a starter motor located inside the bell housing. And honestly, I really don't know why they do that, because for you to get access to the starter motor, you have to drop the whole transmission, and that is very costly. Now you know how the starter motor works. What are some of the problems that can characterize a failing starter motor? So since the starter motor is responsible for starting up your engine, a bad starter motor will not crank up your engine. And depending on the severity of the damage, the problem can be intermittent. Sometimes it might start and sometimes it might not start. And in other cases, your starter motor may just be making a clicking noise whenever you try to start your car.